Peace and love, good people. Peace and love. So before we get started, please subscribe to the channel. Prepare yourself to make a comment below and like this video if it helps you out. So we bought a Tesla put at 356, 4 minutes before the market closed, and we sold it the second the market opened, a 4-minute trade. All right, 4/29, 2025, another Tesla trade, and we are showing you how to make $200 when you trade the close. So first and foremost, we looked at this resistance level. 293 was resistance on the daily time frame. This candle is the one we entered. It opened at 289, closed, and then the next candle the next day opened at 280, closed at 274. So on this particular line chart, not the candlestick chart, you can slide your cursor from left to right and look at the highs and the lows in this consolidation phase before we had a major sell-off, right? So we're looking to see how high this thing will bounce the next day, the value of the option. Okay, the value of the option. So here we see that at 281.66, the value is $95. All right, so it just went up some more as we slide this simulator left to right. I love the simulated returns feature in Robinhood because it allows you to see the contract price versus the stock price. So at 283.18, the contract price would be $2 and we'll be up about 66 bucks. So here I'm like, you know what? I don't want to be greedy. Let's go ahead and set a limit order for $2. All right, so we already had a limit order set. We're going to replace that one. And we're going to replace this limit order for $2. When this market opens, I want to get out of this trade. All right, so fast forward to 2 minutes until the market opens. It's 9:28. I checked the simulated returns tab again. Now we're up to 260, the contract price. Okay, I bought it at $1.35. Now it's up to $2.58. We're up 123, and the price has dropped to 280. Don't let that Webull chart go over your head. We entered a candle where the close was 292. We entered that candle and now we've come down. So we just adjusted our sell price from $2 to $240. So we want to capture at least $100 at this point. 2 minutes before the market opened, $100 4-minute trade. That's beautiful. So we went ahead and put in our trade for $240. Now the estimated contract price is $260, but it's an estimate for a reason. When the market opens, it could drop or it could rise up. So I want to give it a little bit of room for slippage. All right, so if it comes down to 255, I don't want to miss it. 248, I don't want to miss out because I set it at 260. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep it at 240, but then at the last minute I said, you know what, let me get some more money. It's coming down to 279.92. We continue to move to the downside even though we closed a little higher. So I come in here again and I move it up to 250 with a few seconds left. Before the market opens. Boom. Now we sitting here watching the simulated returns, and we instantly sold out of our position as soon as the market opened, and it opened at 335. All right, yes, so we were able to capture $200 in 5 minutes, 148% return on $135 collateral. That is how you trade the close. Trade the chart. Be smart. Peace and love, good people, and I hope you get rich. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel, like and comment below. Peace and love.